Welcome to your daily dose of IKEA. The Grisala chair at just $30 combines comfort and style, and it's easy to assemble for long-lasting enjoyment. Elevate your table setting with a timeless and elegant all-scaplic bowl with lid, priced at $6. The Ever chair, priced at $30, boasts natural, durable wood that can be sanded and treated as needed, making it a versatile addition to any space. The Alsada stool at $559 is hand-woven, making each one unique and a true piece of art for your home. The classic Skalboda armchair for $85 from the Makeover CAD collection offers a blend of retro and modern style. Create a mini oasis in your space with a warm and calming trellis basket for $19 thanks to its natural rattan color variations and handmade weave. The Frotorp coffee table at $200 stands out with its mix of materials and finishes, offering both style and versatility as a coffee or side table. The Lockheed Children's Potty for $10 is a comfortable and stable solution for potty training, with an easy-to-clean removable insert that organized efficiently with the ordning dish drainer at $29, which can hold 29 plates and various other kitchen items, all while looking sleek in stainless steel. The Ever cabinet, priced at $100, has been a reliable storage solution for over 50 years, whether in your attic, living room, pantry, or bedroom. Add a pop of style and color to your dining experience with the Kedge Serlik bowl for $6, making even ordinary weekday meals feel extraordinary. The Tissadol 6-drawer dressed at $200 features soft closing drawers and Scandinavian design, making it a charming addition to your bedroom. The Gladeleg plate for $19 is a timeless piece of art with its ocean blue glaze and golden brown details, adding a unique touch to your table. Revamp your wardrobe storage with the practical and modern Visthus wardrobe, priced at $400, which offers plenty of storage options and easy mobility with casters on the bottom drawers. The Evershelf unit for $80 is a versatile and trusted storage system that has been loved by homes for over 50 years. The Kragston nesting tables, a set of 2 for $120, feature round, soft shapes and crafted details, offering timeless style and sturdiness for years to come.